So another question type that I can add a new question is multiple drop downs. So this is great because it's like multiple choice, but I can embed multiple questions within that one question. So multiple drop downs. So maybe here I'm going to ask, who is the administrator that supports Miss Norton's key? And I'm going to ask, who is the administrator that supports Mrs. Black's key? So again, like the multiple answer option, fill in the blank, I now have two questions that I have to define down here so I can give answers. So I'm going to do the brackets to designate which question it is. So I'm going to go Norton, and then I'm going to put black in there. And so with a multiple drop down, it's going to provide a drop down where I'm going to give answer options for them to choose from. So there are 6 administrators. So I'm going to add 6 answer options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to type in, so Langlois, Bots, Armstead, Turner, Newcomb, and Foster. And so for Norton, I'm going to choose the correct answer, which is Armstead. So when the student looks at this question, they're going to drop down and see these 6 answer options, and they're going to choose the correct one. And then I need to choose for Miss Black, and I'm going to go through that same, and I have 6 answer options. And Langlois, Watts, Armstead, Turner, Newcomb, and Foster. And so for Miss Black, the correct answer is Turner. And there are 2 questions, so I'm going to change the point value on this to 2, and I'm going to update the question.